Oh no.
What?
What the fuck
What's going on?
I have no clue.
What the hell's going on in this place?
You better run.
Holy shit.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the fuck? Uh-oh. Did I hear the ivory?
It's the ivory.
Here we go. That's right, man. It's the ivory. Kicking on the flow in your fucking mind, see?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Here we go again.
Here I am, here I am. Here we go.
Oh my.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Where we go.
Here we go, here we go.
Sing a song.
What the fuck is song?
What the fuck?
What the fuck is gonna fuck?
We wonder why.
Now we get
everybody says kill them.
What the fuck, motherfuckers? Kill them, kill them, kill them. Uh-oh.
Oh my. Oh my god.
What the fuck, man?
Was that you?
Nope, nope, nope.
Where you go?
Chill, chill, and chill.
Just don't know.
With the flow.
Kick a knock guy. What the fuck is knock guy? I don't give a fuck cause I'm driving in the truck guy. Whoa, here we go. That's where we got the flow.
Gotta flow. Don't
Get a little screwed. Get a little screwed. What the fuck is going on in this day? Oh my, where we gonna go to play? Ivory. Where are you?
Whoa, I'm right here.
We wanna come and get you. We wanna come and get you. We're sick and tired of all the bullshit you tell ya.
Bring it on.
Oh, Ivory is gone low.
Whoa, I'm right here now.
I don't know what the fuck is going down. He is suddenly going down.
But I'm still standing.
That's right. What?
Chibby,
Shimmy, shop.
I don't know what the fuck is going down, man. This is ivory kicking on the fucking dam. I have a little bit of weird ass sound, man, because I'm in your fucking imagination. That's right, I'm here to hunt your fucking life. You wanna mess around with me, I'm gonna cause strife. Ivory's going crazy in the fucking brain. Just the way it is, man, you know I'm going insane. Did you say crazy? Of course I did. Oh, yep. Just the way we got to go now. Ciao. Where we gonna go now? What you gonna go and do now? What the fuck is going on for sure? I don't know. But I do. That's right, here we go, flow. Ivory is kicking on this ass flow. You think you're gonna try to put a little fear in me? I got nothing scared because I'm the ivory. Here I am, bring it on. Sitting here waiting for you at the end of this song. Just keep on talking all your shit, but that's all you do, and you never come to try to take a hit.